If you're looking to make a luxury cash cow channel, which will be going on in just a few seconds, I want to let you know congratulations, you're in the right place. Watch to the end to see if this niche gets the green light stamp of approval or if it's going to get the red light. Subscribe if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel, make money with YouTube, and check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint, link in the description below if you are interested in making money with YouTube without revealing your face in any of the videos. So in order to make a luxury niche channel, I want to start off by showing you guys what a great one looks like so we can start drawing some inspiration from. Let's go switch over to viewer mode and let's go start investigating on YouTube. Now we got to start to think, what was someone interested in the luxury niche, whether that's the cars, the watches, the jewelry, what would they look up on YouTube? So as I look up the most expensive watches, we have the first 3 picks, and I'm looking like the first 2 are great options because they don't show a personality behind the video like the third video does. So I'm gonna go with this one. They're already showing off free stock footage of what a luxury watch looks like. The great thing about videos like this is that you can easily download free stock footage, and this is already pre-recorded footage that you can easily download on websites that you can easily look up on Google. There's also most likely a voiceover going on just talking about the most expensive watches in the world. Right here, they're going to be talking about the mechanical aspects of the watch and just the most expensive watches. And now they're covering the special features on the watch. Look at my man, he's shining with the diamonds, the rubies, and the jacuzzi. Living that A1 lifestyle. Now let's go check out the video's performance. The video itself has over 200,000 views, which is not too shabby for a viral video. And the channel itself has over 4 million subscribers. You can also see that the channel has other monetization methods as well as they have their own merchandise linked right below their video. The channel does have some decent engagement as well as they have over 250 comments on this video, so people are interacting with the content. Now let's go check out the channel to see if it has any more bling bling hacks that I need to keep up on. So as I go into their popular uploads, this is more of a top 10, top 15 kind of channel, but they do make content related to the luxury niche as well, as they do have that top 10 most expensive watches video that we just watched. Tongue twisting. They also have the most expensive handbags in the world, the most expensive sneakers in the world, and 15 things that you didn't know about the Rolls Royce. So they do have all types of content related to luxury and top 15. I would love to hear from you guys as well. Feel free to comment down below. What is your favorite luxury item? Now let's go check out this channel's monetization. Let's go see how much money they're making in ad revenue alone and how many views this channel is gaining. Now, if I go into this website, I can now check out the channel stat. As I scroll down, this channel has clocked in over 5.5 million views in just the past 30 days, which is a crazy accomplishment to be achieving. Now, let's go check out how much money they're making in throughout the last 30 days. These guys are getting close to that $25,000 mark. They're making those 5 figures throughout the month. And throughout the year, they have reached that 6-figure mark as they're making over $250,000 in just ad revenue alone by people watching the ads on the video. Not to mention, guys, this is just one way of making money with your cash cow channel. Now I can see why these guys are so wised out. If you are enjoying the content so far, I would appreciate you guys showing some love with a thumbs up. Now let's see just how easy these videos are to make. Let's go collect our free stock footage. Let's go collect our iStyle chains. And let's go collect our sounds. And no, I'm just kidding. You do not need no iStyle chains to go and make content like this. What do we see? What do we hear? Look at our video up here. Making a video that's gonna go viral is just as satisfying as putting on your Cuban link chain. How'd I do, guys, on my 10-second video? Feel free to let me know in the comment section down below as well. Now it's time to go over, does this niche get the green light stamp of approval or does it get the red light? I would say that the luxury niche does get the green light stamp of approval. There is a large audience interested in the luxuries that the Good Life does present. Advertisers do pay more as this is a higher CPM niche, so they have more money to spend on their ads for your type of content. This niche does as well present interesting content as it just presents what the Good Life does have to offer. Having the shiny objects in your content as well just attracts the human eye, so your videos will gain views and your chances of going viral are likely as well. A bonus is that these videos are easy to make and YouTube automation serves as a great backbone for this niche. Now the videos and the channels that we went over in this video, I hope you guys can use them as inspiration. Please try not to copy and just try to be original when creating your own content. And if this niche didn't suit you, don't worry because we're going over other niches and future content as well. But let's say that this is the niche for you. You now have 2 options. You have option A. Now you can do this yourself, but you also run into the possibility of wasting your time as you're going to try and figure out how to do YouTube correctly. And you have option B, the step-by-step guide that helps so many creators become successful with YouTube automation. If you would like access to that step-by-step guide, I highly recommend checking out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint link in the description below. That's it for this video. Watch this video right here as we're going to be going over the next niche to see if it gets the green light stamp of approval or if it gets the red light. Subscribe to TubeGrade if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. And don't forget to check out that YouTube Freedom Blueprint link in the description below, as it is my #1 recommended way to make money with YouTube. Peace out.